first snow last night. It's the 29th of November. So we thought it was about time that we put our first Christmas video out for this year. And it is Christmas pudding ice cream. It's surprisingly simple to make, tastes amazing. This is how we prepared the base. So for this base, add in your milk into your pan, just get that warming up gently, and then add in your sugars. Now what we've done here is separated some of the sugar, added in our stabiliser, give it a good stir, make sure it's combined, add that into your milk too. That stops the stabiliser clumping together. Then add in your corn syrup. I've used golden syrup here. Now we're adding in our cinnamon and our nutmeg into our skimmed milk powder. Give that a really nice stir and then make a proper mess, adding that into your milk. Get it nice and combined, then turn off the heat. This is where we've added our Cherry Brandy. You can add whatever alcohol you like. Once you've added, give it a nice stir and then put it in your container and add in your cream. That will bring the temperature down nice and quick. Then you can put it in the fridge for a good few hours to chill it down. Once your ice cream base is chilled in the fridge ready, take your Christmas pudding. Again, this is just a small one from the supermarket, but it's got a really nice flavour. Break it up into whatever size chunks you like. As you can see, we've gone nice and small here. Take your base out the fridge, get it mixed up again. That's cinnamon and nutmeg. Obviously it doesn't dissolve, so it'll settle, most likely at the top. Give it a good stir, make sure it's all combined again, then put it in your machine to churn. Once that's churned to a soft serve consistency, you can then add in your broken up Christmas pudding. Let that go for just another minute or two, take it out and put it in a container. So, look at that tub. I don't know if you can see it properly in focus. I'll put a picture of it over the front there. It's a really fun little tub that my wife has done. Again, these tubs are amazing. Every one she does is really, really great. So I'm very appreciative of her doing them because I tried one and failed miserably. So let's get some scooped up and we'll show you what it looks like. First things first, I don't really like Christmas pudding. Bit pointless making this, I guess. But in this ice cream, or in ice cream in general, Christmas pudding really works because you've got the sweetness of the different fruits that go through. There's usually some kind of alcohol that's in there as well. This, I've just boosted some of those flavours with a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and then that cherry brandy on top to really give it a bit of a wallop. But it smells amazing. Let's just dive right in and see what it actually tastes like. It's amazing. It's incredible. It's really soft, really, really smooth. Now, if you use a stabiliser, just be careful how much you use because you're adding alcohol into this, and that's good advice for any time you add alcohol to ice creams, is watch the sugars, the alcohol and the stabiliser. They can sometimes get a little bit out of control, and before you know it, you've got too much sugar, too much alcohol, and it just won't freeze. But this, it's a really nice, balanced ice cream. Great flavour, really, really nice flavour. Considering I just used a small Christmas pudding, there's loads of that flavour come through, and that's because I've added the cinnamon and the nutmeg to it, just to really give it a bit of a punch. But if you make this after Christmas and you had a Christmas pudding, you know, whatever the flavours were that were in that, try and mirror that into your ice cream base as well. This is a great, great flavour to kick off the Christmas period with. We've got a few little additional videos that we're going to do over Christmas. We're also going somewhere to a nice Christmas market, and there's an ice cream seller there, so we're going to try some of their stuff too. So hope you've enjoyed this one. Nice, easy one. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.